clip, I'll be showing you another way to drain the fuel tank. Now again, since the fuel tank is about half full, just letting the mower run until it was empty would just take too long. The method that's a little bit quicker, but also can be a little bit more dangerous and a little bit more challenging, is to locate the fuel line that is coming out of our fuel tank. It would be the hose that is connected to our fuel tank. Located on that fuel line, we have this little red clip here that's going to hold it in place. What we need to do is get a pair of pliers and squeeze that clip together, and that'll loosen that up so we can move that. Now you'll want to move that off, and then once we pull our hose, a whole bunch of gas is going to come out of here, so you need to be ready with some type of a container. I'm going to go ahead and set a small plastic container right underneath there and see if I can get this to come off. Now you might spill a little bit of gas, but that's all right because you can always wipe it up. Once all of the gas has been drained, make sure you replace the fuel line and your clip. Also make sure you dry up any spills and discard the gas appropriately. And lastly, you want to start your mower and let the remaining gas run out, and it shouldn't take too much time this time.